I got all of the things from Shein with their Black Friday sales, so let's do a try on haul. So first thing is first, I got a gray turtleneck sweater, which just looks so cute. This is a lot more fuzzy than I was thinking, and it feels a little bit interesting, which is expected. I decided to go with a medium. So just very sweatery material. Like that. Let's try it on. Okay, the way this neckline is so tight. It was so hard. You couldn't put one end on here and then put it over like every other turtleneck I own. And I own a lot. I like turtlenecks. I had to put it over the top of my head, pull my pony through, and then slowly. It's just not very stretchy in the neck. So definitely don't do your hair before you get this. And I would probably just choose a different one, honestly. The material is just a little bit weird. And it's just not stretchy enough. And this is a medium and it's tight. Most of my turtlenecks I own that are tight are smalls or extra smalls, and they fit great. So, I don't know. I'd probably just keep this one, even though it's really cute and I'm going to keep it. There are lots of other ones that are going to be better. Second item I got was a white turtleneck. So I just wanted a really classic. This is more of the material I was thinking that might be. Just very, very soft. It feels good. It's really stretchy. There's no seam in the neck. That's kind of cool. It's really long, but excited about that one. So let's try this one on. So here's the white turtleneck. It is a little bit see-through, unfortunately, but it's super, super soft, not itchy at all. Love that. Next item is a skirt, pencil skirt, just with a cute little slit. It's this like burnt orangey color. I just wanted a long classic skirt. It feels like nice material. It's decently stretchy. And I just love that. I was a little worried that was going to be high, but it looks like a good height. Looks like a good height. Oh, the slit's supposed to be in the front because there's the tag, but I'll probably wear it in the back. I went with a medium, so let's try this one on. This skirt is so amazing. It's soft, it's stretchy. I really, really like the slit in the back. It's super fun. So let's try on the next thing. Okay, I got this jacket. There were amazing sales on their jackets. I love it. It's so cute. I cannot wait to try this one on. Okay, this one is really, really soft and cute. It fits really good. I really like it. The buttons are great. They're cute. This is the kind of button I really like. So I really like this. It's a good length. Everything seems really great. Yeah, no complaints. Love this one. Highly recommend. This shirt was so on sale and just selling out like crazy. I thought the color was so fun. It's super cute. It's gonna be so fun in the winter. Just like maybe like a black jacket over it. Oh, so fun. So many ways to style it. I'm so excited about this. Great material. This, in the pictures it showed these were tied like this, but it looks like you have many options, so that'll be fun. This one is so fun. It's a tiny bit shorter than I was thinking. These are super high-waisted pants, like my belly button's all the way down here, and it's just sits above like my waistline. So it is kind of short, but it is really, really cute. I love it. You can tie it however high or low you want. So I guess if I tied it lower, then it would come down, but this is my preference. But this is so cute. It's so silky. The print is so fun. It's really classy. Could be for so many occasions. I love it. So for these next few items, they're actually birthday gifts to my sister, but she's not on Instagram, so of course I'm going to show you guys. First, I got her just this basic tee. Her birthday's in winter, so she never gets any gifts for summer. So she said, oh, just get me t-shirts, please. Just cheap, a ton of t-shirts. So I got this one. Looks cute. So this comes up pretty high. Like if I had any lower pants, it would totally show my side. And it does come a really, really long far pass. So if you want to cover your butt, like that works. But I do like how it does just give that natural shape. So you can just throw on a t-shirt, but you look really good still no matter what pants you have on. Like I do like that. This comes up pretty high. I like that neckline. It just shows the collarbones. Just shows off the collarbones. It's really classy and cute. I would probably want this a little bit shorter. But overall, it's pretty cute. It looks like it does online. I like it. And then I got this one. A little bit more of a normal length. Really stretchy. Okay, this one is super cute. It is see-through. I like where the shoulders hit, but it is super short. It is so much shorter on person and on. I thought these are really high pants and it comes up here. My belly button's down here. So that is really high up compared to what I was thinking it was going to be. So I don't know. Yeah, this just isn't, it's just a really small and see-through shirt. So probably not the best, but it is cute. I'll keep it. I was planning to give it to my sister, but I think it's just not quite there, so I'll probably just keep it for myself. Get her something else. Then I got her this bodysuit. This one was really on sale, this particular color for some reason, which I think it's such a cute color. It's so on trend, but it's like was so inexpensive that it was, you know, like it's okay to get super on trend. You can justify getting really on trend. So these are what the snaps look like. They're not metal or anything. They're just plastic. But they work. And I have gotten a bodysuit from Shein before and it's held up just fine. So not too worried about it. Okay, this one's really, really cute. It is tight for me. I'm giving it to my sister and I think it'll fit her great. If I was gonna keep it, I would size up 1 or 2. Because it does cut in a little bit and it's kind of pulling, but in every direction. But it's really cute. I really, really like the color. And it is, of course, a little bit see-through. And then she requested a black bodysuit, which I've gotten one from Shein, but it comes a little bit low and I know she would appreciate something a little bit higher. So I decided to try a different one that seemed like it came up a bit higher. So the buttons are more like that. And it's just, it's the same material as my other one. This one's long sleeve. And the snaps. The snaps are the same plastic ones as the other one, but they're black, which is what is on the bodysuit that I have. So super cute. This bodysuit's so good. It is a little bit see-through just like mine, but it can also button up one more or can button all the way down. It's great. It does come a little bit high. So on me, it comes up here like above my hips. I maybe not a low-rise jean would it show. I always wear at least mid-rise jeans, so that's not a problem for me. I don't think my sister as well, but it would be possibly cutting it. Also definitely depends on your torso size. That is it for my Shein haul. Pretty much everything came out really cute and great. I'm really excited about these pieces and hopefully you guys can try some of them out too. See you next time.